welcome to Mullaghmore, everyone. So we're shooting these rocks right here with these waves just crashing in over the edge and making for some nice little small waterfalls, and we're getting a bit of movement. So I have this mountain right over here, and it makes for a bit more dramatic photo, and hopefully we'll get some nice photos out of it. I'll go through the settings of what I'm using now and why. I'm at 2 seconds, f7.1 and ISO 320. The reason I'm using that is because I want a bit of movement in the water, and all I got on is a 10 stop filter. I don't have any other filters on me at the moment, so I need to let as much light in as possible. Look at those waves. Whoa. See what happens. Look at that. That is crazy. Well, I'll put that photo up right now, and if you like it, just comment below and let me know. So, thank you, and we'll move on to the next spot from here. So I have arrived here at Downpatrick Head, so we just have to take the steep climb right up here, way up there, to get to the head of Downpatrick. I'm just on my way up now, and I just want to show you these waves, like right here. Watch them. Just unbelievable. It is just absolutely incredible up here. Whoa. The glow, hopefully that stays for the next 10-15 minutes by the time we get up there. But wow, this is what people dream for, I'm telling you. This is incredible. I'm just going to try to be as quick as I can to get up here, because I do not know how long that glow is going to last. It looks like it might be disappearing, but hopefully it stays and we can get some lovely photographs of this famous Downpatrick Head. I've made it to the top, and there is Downpatrick Head. Look at that for scenery. Oh, it's the first time we've been here, but it is one of the most spectacular, unbelievable that I've ever seen in my life. It's just like this rock. Just, I can't even describe it. It's that beautiful. Look, unbelievable. So it is. So this scene that I've set up is in portrait mode. I'm shooting at 4 seconds, f11, ISO 100. Just to get a bit of movement in the waves hitting the Downpatrick Head. Hoping for a bit of movement so it makes it look a lot better and shows a bit of motion. As you can see, there's a bit of yellow, orangey in the sky, but it's starting to clear off. But who cares? Look at that view. It's just outstanding. And I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just going to take this photo and see how it goes. Wow, that is absolutely perfect. I have took a photo just of Downpatrick Head right there with the water, and now I've switched it up to Downpatrick Head, the water, the clouds, and the foreground here just in front of me. It gives it that bit more, just makes it look so much better. So I'll post that right here, right now. So I've just arrived here at the other side of the cliff, and there is Downpatrick Head. As you can see, it's much wider this side, and I'm getting a landscape photo of this one, and we're getting much more of the wave movement here, so it will make for a much more fun photo for people who like landscapes. The other one was portrait right over there, so that's where we were. I've come all the way around here, so hopefully this shot turns out nice. Let's see how it turns out. So that is it, guys, from Downpatrick Head. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe below and also hit that notification bell so you are informed of when I upload. So thank you all, and I'm going to leave you with this.